Okay, so I'm using OneDrive for my cloud sharing platform. Here I have three main files that I organize things in. So I'm going to open my documents file, and here you can see my various classes. I'm going to head over to EDCI 270, and I have three folders currently for the different projects I've been working on. If I go into mind map folder, for example, and I can create a new file within this folder that will automatically save there. I can save that, go up here and save it. And then if I head back on over to OneDrive, it'll see that it is automatically saved. If I want to share a file with someone, I can simply click on it, highlight it, and say share. As this loads, I could say I want to share with a link, or I can only share it to certain people. I'm going to choose share with the link, and then just enter the email address for who I'm going to send it to.